Jackson. Oh, Jackson. Hi. Where are your clothes? What happened? Did you poop at the restaurant and ruin your outfit? Is that what happened? Pretty cute. Are you telling me about it? Were you embarrassed? Did Daddy get it on his hand? Yeah, it was funny. Jackson. Jackson. You say mom, 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 mom. Say mom, 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 mom. Jackson. Say dad, 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 dad. You're pretty silly. You're in a good mood.